The dashboard is an overview page that includes quick access to the calendar, to-do list, learner's work, managed courses, patient assignments, patient profiles, formulary, and labs library. On the left side of the screen will be a list of these menu items for easy access. The Patient Assignments page allows patients to be assigned to learners and for the review of previous assignments. Select New Patient Assignment to create new assignments. Customizing the course, patient, simulation timing, and goals and objectives is available here. The Learner's Work page contains all learner Virtual Meds Manager course information from login to logout time. Find the course that contains the learner or patient to be reviewed. Select Review by Learner, choose a learner, and select Review this learner. Select a patient from the left side of the page to view the learner's work with that patient. Reviewing patient documents, device logs, and simulated vitals is also available from this page. Select Review by Patient to view all learner interactions with this patient. The Manage Courses page contains a list of existing courses and the ability to create new courses. Select the Settings icon to edit existing courses. Add registered SimEMR instructors, groups, and learners to existing courses with ease. Select Create New Course, fill in the required information, and select Create to create the new course. The Virtual Pharmacy page contains a list of generics, drugs, and orders, and the ability to edit and create drugs within your formulary. Select Add New Generic, fill out the required information, and select Create. This procedure will be the same for drugs and orders. The Labs Library page contains a list of the values and orders within existing lab sections, as well as the ability to edit and create new values and orders. Choose a lab section to view, edit, or remove values. Select Add New Value and fill in the required information in the newly created table row. Select Lab Order and view or add a new order by selecting Create New Lab Order. The Learner Permissions page contains a list of learner roles and the ability to edit, create, and manage these roles. Users, manage subscriptions, device management, and settings will allow you to view and edit all of the respective fields with ease.